It's time to turn up the heat and apply some pressure because it's getting hot in here. And welcome to Cuttin. Today we're going to talk about Cuttin Corners Vinyl. And I was going to post this video on the 1st, but I ended up getting sick, and that's going to happen from time to time. And I'm not going to talk about my health issues today. I've talked about them till I'm blue in the face, and I'm not sure if I'm going to talk about them anymore. I really don't feel like doing it, and I'm not sure if I'm going to feel like doing it anymore. So hopefully you can respect that. Now, hi, I'm Betsy for all of you who don't know, and long time no see for all of you. I at the beginning of the year to take a hiatus to rebrand and redo a lot of things, and ended up getting sick, and it ended up taking a lot more time than I ended up expecting, and here we are. And I have been very nervous about posting a new video, and I'm not exactly sure why, because I figure the people who love and want to see me will watch, and those who don't, let's go ahead and jump in. The reasoning for the changes for Cuttin Corners Vinyl is I feel like I had gotten stuck in a rut and going through the motions between getting sick and everything else going on. I stopped doing YouTube for the reasons why I loved doing YouTube and was just doing YouTube for work. And I wanted to get back to the root of why I loved doing and go back to my roots and remember doing the videos to begin with. And for me, it was, why did I get into doing YouTube? And that is, I loved talking about all things fine, sublimation, screen printing, but not just doing crafts. I really loved getting into the of vinyl, heat presses, really getting into everything about it. And that's one of the things we're going to be doing, is we're going to get in all the details, fabrics, all that kind of stuff. And you're going to see that, and we're going to have playlists of fabrics, of what types of, like a playlist of polyester and a playlist of nylon. And we're going to talk about what vinyls will go on it. We're going to talk about washes. We're going to show them for different types of vinyls. We're going to get into how many washes they'll go through, wash times, wear times. We're going to show all of it. We're going to do tutorials for it. We're going to get into comparisons. We're going to get into heat presses. We're going to show how it applies on different materials. Not only we're going to show sweats, we're going to show all of these types of things. And I've got a lot of things pre-recorded. Now I'm going to have to go through and redo some intros because I've got a new background and things like that. But I have these things already done, and we're going to get into it for different brands, and if there's brands that you want to see, and we're going to get into the nitty-gritty for it all. And these aren't reviews, just to let you know. These are just going to show you, these are product details where it's just information just spelled out for you so you can see it for yourself. Because I don't want to consider it a review. I want you to just be able to see the products in action so you can see everything for yourself. And it's just going to be product knowledge. And it's going to be for each thing, whether it be a heat press, whether it be a specific type of vinyl, whether it be a printer, whether it be a specific type of ink, because I want it to be everything for you broken down, and I want it to be a place for you to be able to find all the different types products so you can be able to say, hey, what will go on this type of material? How does it wear? What is the comparison? I want you to be able to find what you need when you need it. Because I think that that's important. I think that that is something that is missing. And if there's a certain fee, let me know. And I will take in samples and things like that. I will show colors, all of those types of things. And we will have on the website, that's part of the reason why this is going to take time. As we do a video, we will have a product on the website to show all the colors, photos, that type of thing. So you will be able to see everything in action over there as well. Because we want things to go in conjunction. So you will be able to see. And I have invested in photography equipment. Be able to see everything in personal. Everything. And not going to, these are going to be, it's a long process. Again, long videos, and then we're going to have things broken down into sections as well. And we will have product comparisons, and you will also be able to compare them for yourself. Now, again, I'm not going to say which is better. Those are things for you to decide. And we will also have things like for heat presses, we will have categories. Each video on Tuesdays and Thursdays. That's kind of the game plan. Again, things might change depending on if I get sick or not, because I'm trying to upload on those days instead of pre-uploading, because sometimes things happen. So just to give you, so for the different types, a mixture of product detail videos, and then we will do a tutorial video, which will typically, if there's a product detail video, that will go in conjunction with the video itself. And those videos, the tutorials, sometimes we'll have more tutorials in conjunction with the product detail videos, because if we're doing something that has to do with sweats or things like that, because those will help keep the product detail videos a little on the shorter side, but it will also make sure that you are getting as much product knowledge as. Also, site on how it's going to work once I get everything resituated. One of the things we are working on is the forum, which is going to be a lot of community aspect to it, which will include ways for y'all to be able to talk amongst yourselves. We are going to have it where there's going to areas for other users and that type of thing, so you can talk amongst yourselves and really build a community, because I think that that's important, is to make this great big world still. I think that okay. So right now on the old website, and if you are a Patreon supporter, you do get access to it for any level of support. It's, and one of the things I know, whenever I do tutorials on Patreon, I will be able to offer the individual files for sale on Patreon, so you'll be able to purchase them individually if you don't want to sign up for like a membership. So that is something I will be able to do once the videos start posting through, and I will post links to everything and where to purchase. So if they are affiliated, I will link it, and if you do purchase off an affiliate link, where we are. If you have any, leave them down below, and you'll kind of see a little bit more as we go along. But again, I am very, very excited about this. I will be posting the videos both on Facebook and YouTube through a link. But yeah. Hopefully you are excited about this. Now, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And yes, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed because this is like a big, big deal. But yeah, hopefully you're excited. And I will see y'all later. Bye.